Okay, welcome back. So this is the 2014 question 5A part 1. And what we're asked to find is the cash sales if the period of credit given to debtors is 2 months. So the first thing we're going to do is to use the period of credit given to debtors formula and write that down. So I'm going to write it down over here as period given to debtors for short. And the formula for a period of credit given to debtors is debtors multiplied by, well, if it's in months you want your answer, it's multiplied by 12. If it's in weeks, it's multiplied by 52, and in days it's 365. But since they give us the period of credit in months here, then we're going to use the months formula. So we're going to multiply by 12. And it's that divided by credit sales. So again, as always, we just substitute in the information that we know. Well, they gave us the period of credit given to debtors. They said if the period of credit given to debtors is 2 months. So we're going to substitute in 2 there for that. Then we're going to have debtors. So debtors we can find in the balance sheet under the current assets. So here's the current assets, and it tells you what some of the current assets are here. And it says debtors 43,000. So back here, sub in 43,000. Multiplied by 12 and divided by credit sales. So we don't know what the credit sales are, but now we have a formula or an equation we can solve to find out the credit sales. So again, I favour maybe cross multiplying, calling this 2 over 1, then multiplying top by bottom, top by bottom. So 2 by credit sales gives you 2 credit sales. And 1 by 43,000 by 12. So 43,000 by 12 is 516,000. And if I multiply that by 1, it's just 516,000. So lastly then, if I divide across by 2, divide both sides by 2, I'll find out that the credit sales is equal to 516,000 divided by 2, which is what would that be? 258,000. euros. But the issue here is we were asked to find out what the cash sales were, not the credit sales. So now we need to take one more step, go back to our trading profit and loss account, and it tells us the full sales, which is cash and credit sales added together, is 950,000. So all we have to do is subtract our credit sales from that to get our cash sales. So it's 950,000 minus our 258,000. is equal to, and again I'm going to use my euro sign for my final answer, 692,000, and I'm going to say that's equal to the cash sales. Okay.